Hey, what's up you guys? It's Vikeejeah and I am here to talk about natural hair care. So you guys asked and I delivered. I am showing you guys my natural hair care routine while I do my hair. So you always gotta have a water bottle, right? I've had this water bottle forever. Like forever, ever. It's like since high school. And I'm in my 30s. I have it filled with spring water. I just put whatever's left of my water bottle that I happen to be drinking from in my water bottle that I will spray my hair with. There's nothing else in here. A lot of people like to put conditioner in their water. I don't really do that because it clogs up the mechanisms that you can't get to. So I like to try to keep my bottle clean, so I just put water in it and nothing else. I'm just gonna put my hair up in a poof, and at the same time I'm going to show you guys like what I use. So I used to use Carol's Daughter shampoo and conditioner, the black vanilla one. Now I have two new products for that purpose. I have Miss Jessie's Super Slip Sudsy shampoo. Good gracious, tongue twister. It's the best darn detangling shampoo, period. There's a lot of fine print here, y'all, but it says it's excellent for natural curls, chemically treated hair, ultimate detangling, product buildup removal, parched hair, and weave glue removal. Okay then. If you still do that, then I guess this is good for that. I used to do that. That's why I'm saying if you still do that. This is also a Miss Jessie's product. It is Creme de la Curl Best Darn Cleansing Cream, period. This is a co-wash. Since my hair is dry, I'm starting to lean back into a co-wash for like an in-between step during the week. And this one is for daily washing. It's for colored hair, natural hair, chemically treated hair, dried out, parched hair, no suds cleansing for wigs, weaves, braids, and locks. So it's for the whole gamut of black hair. Now when I say black hair, I do mean afro textured hair. So even if you don't consider yourself black, like if you're one of those folks that prefers to declare your nationality as your race, I'm talking about you too, baby. Talking about you too, girl. Next up is a treatment. This is the Super Sweet Back treatment. This is also from Miss Jessie's. This is for hair growth, but it is also just to kind of deep treat your hair. And it's essential deep treatment for growing out naturally curly, kinky, and wavy hair. So this is specifically designed to expand your fro. And it feels amazing. I have already used this and I'm just like, y'all see how it's flourishing. My hair is flourishing. I haven't been able to put a puff in my hair since I chopped it off last year. And we are only 2 months past the 1 year mark of when I chopped my hair off, and I am able to do a puff. I'm very impressed. So after I wash my hair, or I treat my hair, you know, do the whole routine, I tend to come in and add some kind of moisturizer in the first step to LOC method. I also do this during the week when I go to take my scarf off, or if I forget to sleep in my scarf, I will use the following products. These are from Oyen Handmade. This is the Honey Hemp Detangling Moisturizing Hair Conditioner. I treat this like a leave-in because you can use it as a leave-in. It's also considered a detangler. I feel like this bottle is too small for me to be trying to detangle my hair with it. The next one is a mess. I accidentally pulled off the protective coating, so all the hair sticks to this now. But this is the Hairdo Daily Hair Quenching Lotion. So for those days in the week where I just need to kind of re-moisturize my hair, this is what I use, as opposed to the leave-in conditioner when my hair is like freshly washed and I need that initial burst of moisture that's gonna stick to my hair. So when I just need to refreshen it, I use the lotion during the week. I also, in order to refreshen my curls, use Juices and Berries Nourishing Herbal Leave-In Hair Tonic. So for anybody who still uses Shea Moisture, they have sprays like this where it's like a refresher, kind of like curl refresher or curl enhancer or something like that they would call it. This is a very similar product and it smells really good. It's called Juices and Berries and it smells like Juices and Berries. Now for styling agents. I have not quite a few, I have 3. And I tend to I have 4. I tend to kind of alternate depending on what I want. First up is from Miss Jessie's. This is the Curly Buttercream. And it's for natural curls, kinks, waves, pony puffs, TWAs, twists and braid outs, transitioners, coiling, and silkeners. It's for everybody. This is for everybody. But specifically curly hair. Like, this works really well on curly hair. The Curly Butter Cream smells like, see, I had to get used to the scent. It smells like a little minty, like mentholated. It smells mentholated, not really minty. But it does kind of stimulate your scalp and kind of awaken your hair in a way because of that mentholated aspect. For me, I put this on and then I put something on top of it if I'm going to use it. But plumpens and defines, so it creates fullness and kind of elongates your curls. I'm in love. The next thing that I'm also in love with and obsessed with is TGIN. Thank God it's natural. Twist and Define Cream with coconut oil and vitamin E. This is for smooth and shiny twist outs with long-lasting curl definition. No parabens, sulfates, petroleum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. So hey, this is banging. I just need you guys to understand the emphasis. I'm emphasizing how dope this is. Now, I'm gonna say something that is gonna be a touch controversial. If you don't want to spend the 21 bucks on Comet Biologics Heavy Cream, right here, because it's about I want to say about $15. Still expensive, but not $21. And this is more. You get more in here, y'all. Same results for me. So I'm not even sure. You see where I'm going with this? I'm not really sure that that jar is going to be worth it anymore, y'all. That's a Starbucks drink right there I just saved. Next up, this is for a soft, fluffy fro. And let me tell you something. This is aptly named Pillow Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's. This is my second tube. I will buy this. I will keep this on deck, because for those days when you've already got your curl definition, and you're like, but I need some fullness. Like, I'm losing my fullness because I got that curl definition. You put this in your hair. It will just volume and literally pillow soft. Your hair is just like, you won't be able to take your hands out your hair, y'all. You know how people want to reach in and touch your fro? They'll be even more tempted, I'm afraid. Do you understand that we don't just wake up like this? It actually takes effort. It takes effort to get your hair like that, and you just reach in. It's weird. It's weird. Don't be weird. Okay, so when I want that, like, you know, I'm about to do it, so I may as well just show you, right? When I want to do that and smooth out a section of my hair, let me get it a little wet so I can do that. I'm going to be using heavy duty stuff because my hair is super curly coily. And so I reach for this right here. This is so important in a natural girl's life. But the catch is that you have to have already like treated your hair real good before you put this in your hair. This is very heavy duty stuff. This is Gorilla Snot. This one in particular is the Gorilla Punk. So it is for, like, you know, super hold for like the mohawks and the spiky hair and stuff like that. Look how cute he is. Little mohawk right there. But anyway, yeah, so this is the punk version, the yellow tube, and this is like $3. It's like $3, y'all. The cheapest thing in my entire arsenal. I don't really go for Eco Styler personally. It does nothing for me. What I'm gonna do is take my wide tooth comb, which you should also have if you're a natural. You should have a wide tooth comb. I'm not gonna worry about combing all the way through because I don't want that. I just want to make a puff. I can detangle it another time. And then I'm gonna take the Gorilla Snot, because there's already product in my hair. I'm gonna take the Gorilla Snot. That's enough for my whole head right there. It's quite a lot. And then it's very, very sticky. And I start in the back because I need most of it in the back. And then I finish off the front. Make sure you get the sides. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I'm not a baby hairs girl. So I'm not really looking to keep my baby's hairs out. And then I'll take my brush and just Make sure I run it through. I don't look for perfection, personally, because I think that there's something kind of like cute about your hair not being super perf. And you being able to see how, like, you see how I get waves. I don't want to like pull that to the point where you can't see it, personally. Next up is my girl. This is Cream of Nature's Argan Oil from Morocco Perfect Edges Edge Control. I just add this to the sides. Just a little something like that. Smells great too. I just want to keep my edges nourished. I keep that on deck all the time. Like, it is always there, and there's always a backup when I'm almost out of the other one. Yep, just the edges, just that hairline, keeping it intact. While I'm finishing up my puff, I'll explain to you guys, I'm gonna use the juices and berries too. I'll explain to you guys what is in the oil blend. It is, the base of it is coconut oil, and then it's Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E, tea tree, and macadamia. I am also going to take a Goodies headband. These are, yeah, you guys recognize these Goodies headbands. I'm going to try not to touch my face because I just did my makeup. There we go. So I just do it like that, and then I start to push it up. Just push it up, and it's going to be a really soft hold. A really soft yet comfortable hold. So there you go, y'all. That's my puff. And you can always tighten it if you want to. I'm not going to, but you can double it up and create just like a nice poof on the top of your head. I'm liking the fullness of the like half puff. When you first get these headbands, they're tight enough for you to do like a really secure puff, but this is my go-to right now. Hope you guys like it. Those are all the products that I use. These are my trusty comb and brush, boom, water bottle, bam. Just another quick thing. I wash my hair once a week. I treat my hair when I wash it. And then I do the LOC method. Leave-in, oil, cream. But cream can be any styling agent that you want. So it can be a gel if it's a gel. LOG, right? Sometimes it's 2 products. I tend to seal before I put my styling agent in. I follow the LOC. But you don't have to. Some people respond better to putting their cream on and then sealing the cream in with an oil. You can switch it around however you want. It's also based on the porosity of your hair. So how your hair retains moisture will also determine how you, which order you put those in. But that's the way that I do it. I have high porosity hair. I like to seal in my moisturizing agents and then put a styler on top of that. So I hope you liked the little puff here, and I hope that you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Let me know what you're using for your hair. Let me know if people ever try to touch your hair. I have a theory about it. I don't think it's genuine fascination, but you guys tell me in the comment section. Have you encountered it? Did it seem genuine, or did it seem like you were just being antagonized? Let me know. I'm getting on out of here. You guys have a great day. I'm gonna go get back to my babes, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.